And there's an appeal for a wicket. Chandu hits it. But the fielder comes in, saves it. The boundary. Scoop.
The shot. 6.
Afzal, here comes the first ball. Sridhar on strike. Sridhar hits it. From Sridhar. PT. That's it. The star batsman from 𝐾𝐝𝐯 is out. Garden City players celebrating with joy. The batting side and a jubilation for the fielding side.
Best player of Garden City. Best player of
Wide delivery.
It's a
Catch. Fielders running to get the ball. And he knows it.
It's a save.
That's the question right now. And Venu hits it in the air and goes for a single. And they get it. And Venu takes it down. The champions. This year in Mangalore Cup. They think they won that race. They chase them back to all the way to the side.
Garden City.
Excellent performance by it.
Of boys team, Fawaz of 𝐸𝐻𝐻 College. Best fielder Fawaz of 𝐸𝐻𝐻 College. And for the girls it is Geetika Gawan from Father Muller's College. I think Father... Excellent performance. Rishpu Durai. I request Divya ma'am to please give away the award. And from the girls it is thank you. Now the man of many guesses, man of the series. Man of the series is the captain Venu Madhav of 𝐾𝐝𝐯 College. For his brilliant performance in the final, I request Dr Amar Prakash. And among the girls, it's Aishwarya Radha Krishna from 𝐸𝐻𝐻 College. Woman of the series.
Dr M.V Shetty Institutions, Mangaluru. Empowering dreams and achieving greatness since 1985. Dr M.V Shetty College prides itself in its history of 38 years. It undertook path-breaking initiatives in Indian higher education with the introduction of innovative and modern curricula, insistence on academic discipline, imparting of holistic education, and adoption of global higher education practices with the support of creative and dedicated staff. First private college in Karnataka offering diverse healthcare programs offers you multiple of courses. Dr M.V Shetty Institutions is a nurturing ground for an individual's holistic development to make effective contribution to the society in a dynamic environment. Dr M.V Shetty Institutions, Kavu Road, Vidyanagar, Mangaluru, Karnataka 575013. Contact 0824 248 1048, 0824 248 1096. Website www.mvshettycolleges.edu.in.
ಸುದ್ದಿ ಚಾನಲ್ ಕ್ಷಣ ಕ್ಷಣದ ಸುದ್ದಿಗಾಗಿ